on day 2. Probably going to incorporate this into one video. As I mentioned yesterday on some of the lanes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop them halfway through. Do you know when they're getting a bit nadry and a bit boring on the video? So you'll see us coming home, doing a bit of riding. I'll clip them short just to sort of, I know some people enjoy it, but I just think end of the day having a lane going for ages is probably a bit boring, to be honest. We'll see. Anyway, day 2. So we've hopped onto a few lanes already this morning. Adverse weather conditions to say the least. This is exceptionally graded. It's got scalpings on it. Yeah, so weather condition wise looking pretty bad for today. So we're going to get done what we can. And we may load the bikes up this app and actually have a bit of a chill sort of drive around the island whilst we're here, because yesterday was so wet, it was unbelievable. I didn't even film it, I don't think. I'll check it, and obviously you'll know if I did film it, because this will be after the first bit of editing, but we will see. But first impressions of the island for green laning, really enjoying it. And I advise anybody, even novices, if you are interested, there is a few companies that come over here and do it. Obviously you can hit up Lee, who's with us now. I'll tag his Facebook page in the description of this video. I don't think he uses Instagram, which is obviously my forefront, what I do. I don't use Facebook, but I'll get his links. I'll get his details. If anyone wants contact numbers or emails, I can provide them. Because what's better than having 2 days in the Isle of Man with the boys? Good fun. Oh no! Momentum then. Guessing this island has quite a lot of cyclists on a weekend. I don't really know much about cycling on the Isle of Man. Somewhere up here they said. But I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of struggling with the commentary. Minutes I'm tired. I can see them up there. I don't know if you can on camera because it'll be wet. They might move out the way, they might stop. But we're soon going to find out. I'll take a photo. Woo! Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we came down here yesterday. It's not a brilliant lane, but it's very washed out in certain places. It's ideal to get the bike in a bit of a band for once. Just give it a bit of a clear out. Got fish and chips, hot herring fish and chips. It was alright. Now we're setting off. The weather is much calmer at the minute, so we've just got to see now if the weather changes again. But let's just see. We're having some good riding at the moment. I'm really enjoying myself. So we have a bit of a rough one coming. So I don't know how this is going to pan out. I'm trying to stay on the clean. I don't want my tyres muddy. I know this is the bad slate one, so we'll have to see. Ooh, this is steep. Some mountain bikers have been coming down here. They love this shit. So this lane's a bit dreadful. She is slippy down here. Push! Well, the views are a little bit different now, aren't they? Compared to the last sort of couple of hours with the fog and the rain. It's amazing. It feels like such a great privilege to be here. This is a nice little lane. Little switchback. Riding through a river. Whoa. Fucking hell. Oh, Mr. Arms! Mr. Arms! So that was a fail. Went back down. impossible, so this is the cheating route, which someone's obviously scaled the side of it. So let's carry on. This is one deep brook. Get into second and just chuck my way along. Not getting too close to Steve again, he just absolutely fucking annihilated me. So we're currently waiting for Stephen, again, putting his condoms on his hands. I think he's ready. So we actually came up this lane yesterday. There's a big barbed wire fence on the floor there. I don't know if you can spot it on camera. I can't point because I'm completely dark. Yeah, there's loads of barbed wire there. That's dangerous. Should be shut.
I'm still busy looking at the other two.
Yeah. Keep the gate shut, boy. So that was a good lane. Didn't feel much of it because I couldn't get my hands on the bars. Want me to go? Yes, that was really difficult. The bike was everywhere. The camera will not show how steep that actually was at all. That was third gear pretty much the whole way up. I don't think I touched second. I tried fourth, but it's just too much. Just way too much. Way too much. It's hard now. Suffering a lot from fatigue. What a brilliant. Well, I couldn't film the last bit because I missed it. We immediately turned left up a gnarly hill climb. Never had a chance to get the GoPro on the go. Oh, they're deep. Wet bubs. These are like the Nadgery single tracks, these that I hate. I'm never a fan of these things. Oh, it's wide enough of it. That's not too bad. Pick me line down to the road. And I'll wait for the boys here. Whoa! Fucking hell! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my... Oh! It's filming. It's filming. We're here. We're here.
I'll get my bike on its side in background.
I'm just showing everybody the views of the Isle of Man currently. You know, for you who haven't seen it.
What angle do you want it at?
It's fucking freezing.
Right, let's roll before we get any wetter and colder.
Yeah.
The end of the Isle of Man adventures. Sat there editing this video in my hotel room and I'm sort of thinking, well, I've done an outro. Not very often I really talk at the end of videos, to be fair, but I just wanted to say a big thanks to Lee from Hit the Trails. We've ridden with Lee before in Wales and now we've done it in the Isle of Man and we're super privileged. It's a great group and a great guide and I'm just so happy that we got a chance to go. It's been a long time since I've been on the island, 10 years. And I'm glad I got a chance to experience the side of it that most people don't get to see on the greenways. They're not green lanes, they're greenways. So, if you want to watch, just subscribe. I've got a lot of different content coming. I'm not really putting my full life on YouTube, but one thing you're going to see is the other motorbikes that I've got. I'm going to do a little bit of raw riding, a bit more road riding, you know, stuff like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.